In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect digital camera to computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless if you have a desktop PC, a laptop, you will be able to connect your digital camera and use it to transfer files, manage the camera options, and so on. So this process that I'm going to show in this video is going to work regardless of the camera model or manufacturer that you have. So it is going to work for Sony camera, Canon cameras, Nikon cameras, and even generic ones. So for this particular method, all that you need is a suitable USB cable. As you might expect, you will be doing this by connecting one end of the USB cable into the camera and the other end goes into your PC or laptop. The reason why this is so straightforward is because it is going to work regardless of the camera. And usually they will always include a USB cable with your purchase, but even if they don't, you can grab any other USB cable that you have lying around to get this connection done. So usually you will plug it into the camera with the micro USB or USB-C end. So if your camera is modern, you might have a USB-C connection, and then the other end that goes into your PC or laptop is most likely going to be USB-A. But like I said, you might also have other options such as USB-C to USB-C, USB to micro USB, USB-A to USB-C. It doesn't matter regardless of how this connection is being established. As long as you have a USB cable to connect the PC to the camera, you will be good to go. This will allow you to transfer any photos that you have on the camera's storage to your PC. You can copy them, you can transfer them over, whatever you prefer, and it is extremely simple to do. Now, this is going to be used for basic functionalities. If you want advanced features or you want to use the camera as a webcam, then this is going to be a little bit more difficult. You will need a capture card and an HDMI cable, or you need to download specific applications for each of these manufacturers. So for example, for Sony, you will have the Imaging Edge application. For Canon, you will have the EOS Utility app, and so on. And in that case, a simple USB cable might not suffice. But if all you want to do is connect it so you can transfer files, it is as simple as I displayed here. Now, before I end the video, guys, I want to make it very clear that when I was looking at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, just like in this video. So consider subscribing. It helps a lot. I count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.